Hi, in today's episode, we will see some farm animals. Are you excited? Let's go! Our first animal is a dog, and for a fact, dogs are my favorite. Oh, next is a rooster. They seem so happy. Look at these ducks wandering around the park. Now they've found the pond and they're swimming away. Look at the sheep running to graze the lush green grass. Look at this cow. It's grazing a lot of grass today. See these horses. They're very brown in color. Look at this adorable cute cat licking its fur to clean itself. Now we're seeing a turkey. This reminds me of Thanksgiving Day. Look at these piggies. They're running to splash in the mud. Look at this goat. It is so fat because in the years it has been grazing a lot of grass. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video, and mostly click the bell icon and choose all so you can be notified with all our latest videos. Goodbye.